Today's recipe is a creamy vegetarian pie with rainbow chard and feta crumb topping. This is a very delicious and healthy 30-minute meal. I hope you like it. Okay, for this recipe we're going to need potatoes, leeks, celery, rainbow chard, double cream, feta cheese, Panko Breadcrums, mushrooms, kale, fresh thyme, and vegetable stock. First off, we're going to peel the potatoes. Then we're going to cut them into 1 centimeter thick slices. Now we're going to halve the leeks lengthways. And we slice the leeks into thin half moons. Oh, looks like I have 3 new subscribers. Now we're going to cut the celery into 1 centimeter wide strips. Then we're going to chop into 1 centimeter pieces. We're also going to slice the mushrooms. Now we slice the rainbow chard, like so. And we're going to pick the thyme leaves from their stalks. We're going to make the feta crumb by mixing Panko Breadcrums with the feta cheese and also olive oil. And we can mix it with a spoon. Let's get cooking. We're going to boil the water for the potato. At this point, it would be a good idea to also preheat your oven to 220 degrees Celsius. When the water is boiling, add a good pinch of salt to the water, and then you can also add the potatoes. Cook for about 10 minutes. The potato is cooked when you can easily slip a knife through it. We're going to put a splash of oil in a frying pan on medium heat. Then we add the leeks, the celery, and we cook until soft. Should take about 5 minutes. Now it's time to add the mushrooms. We're also going to add the thyme. Now we season with salt and black pepper. Stir together and cook for another 7 minutes. Now it's time to add the stock cubes and 100 ml of water. should stir to dissolve the stock cubes. When the water is boiling, we add the double cream. We turn the heat into low and we let it simmer between 3 to 5 minutes. After that, we add the kale and the Rainbow Chard. Mix and stir to wilt the leaves. Let it simmer until the liquid has reduced to a third. This is how it's supposed to look like. When it's ready, we're going to pour the veggie mixture into an oven-proof dish. Then we're going to lay the potato slices on top. We're going to sprinkle the feta crumb on top. And we're going to add some more olive oil. Pop it on the top shelf of your oven and bake it for 10 minutes until the top is brown. The dish is ready, it's time to serve. I hope you liked this video, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.